If you're a SOLIDWORKS electrical user that hasn't gone full 3D, you'll likely be using the 2D layout feature to build scaled representations of your design locations. Most electrical users will take time during implementation to build up their library of footprints by going to the 2D Footprint Manager and importing DWG files. Check out some of our other blogs for tips on importing and using this feature. Today we'll look at a quick method of using your SOLIDWORKS parts to build up your 2D layout library. We start by opening a SOLIDWORKS part and choosing the view of the part that we want to import into electrical. Here, the front view of the part will capture our preferred angle, so we'll choose front, and then simply go to File, Save As. Choose our file format of DWG or DXF, as either of these can be imported into SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2D, along with our preferred save location. When we select a save, SOLIDWORKS lets us pick either the current view or one of our other known views to export. Hit the green check mark to confirm, and we get a preview of how the lines of the DWG will appear. Hit save to confirm, and that's it. Let's take a look at this part now in DraftSite. Now we're free to open up SOLIDWORKS Electrical and import that DWG that we just created into our library for use in our 2D layout feature.